What's up, everybody? It's Chris with Longevity, brought to you by DNC Properties. And today, I'm going to go ahead and go over my review of my 40-volt lithium-ion brushless 20-inch Ryobi lawn mower. Okay? First thing is first, I wanted to go over this lawnmower because I haven't done a review video on it yet. I wanted to get to use it, try it out, and test it so I could really give a good educated feedback on the runtime, the cut quality, and the maneuverability of this actual lawnmower itself. So right off the back, I'm going to start off by saying that power-wise, this thing exceeds all of my expectations. You're definitely going to get the runtime that you're looking for as long as you have a 5 amp hour battery or higher, because I did try a 3 amp and the runtime, if you have more than a quarter acre or a half an acre lot, you're going to want to go with the bigger battery, because if you don't get the bigger battery and you have a pretty decent sized yard, you're going to be disappointed, because the only thing that I have negatively about to say is this, is that the batteries take a long time to charge. If anybody does know if they have a speed charger for their 40-volt system, please, in the comment boxes below, let me know so I can find that fast charger for the 40-volt lineup. Also, one of the really cool things is that you're going to get the power you're looking for as if you were to have a gas-powered lawnmower. It's not loud like a gas lawnmower whatsoever. The only thing you're going to hear, which I'm going to show you guys here in a minute, is you're going to hear the fans of the blade rolling. And the thing is so smart that as it detects your grass is thicker and certain areas are longer, it automatically speeds the blades up to give you that nice clean cut you're looking for, so it doesn't leave any stragglers behind. Because we all know that when you have a dull blade or you have a lawnmower that's not powerful enough, it's going to cut your grass like a bad haircut, and nobody likes a bad haircut, right? So right off the bat, guys, it's really cool. Let's go ahead and grab, I have 2 batteries for this thing actually. I've got 2 batteries for this thing actually, and let's go ahead and take the camera off here so we can get a closer look. So, right over here, we've got our onboard storage for the lawnmower itself. This pops open, and then you've got your slot here, which pushes in. Okay, I've got full charge now. This is going to activate the actual lawnmower itself, and this is onboard storage for a backup battery. Okay, and the reason why I have a backup battery, guys, is because I do have a few clients of mine that have been clients for years, and I do take care of their lawns. I don't do lawn service, but in a special case for these clients, because I've had them for so long, I do take care of their properties for them. And this allows me to take care of, guys, a really big lawn. I don't have to bring my charger because I can get pretty much the whole yard done with this and then go ahead and finish it off with the second 5 amp hour battery. Again, like I said, you're going to want to have at least a 5 amp hour battery to run this actual lawnmower itself, okay? Very important. Also, it has a safety key here, so if you have kids or anything of that nature, when that key is removed, which I'll show you what it looks like, you cannot engage the mower at all. So that's very important, that if you have kids and they're curious and they want to know what this thing is, just pop that out. You'll save yourself a lost hand, a lost foot, lost toes, anything of that nature. Very important. It also has 2 little latches here. These fall right into there. Boom. Locks it up. Again here, this is my depth of my cut. Very simple to use. All you do is move this up. Let me go ahead and get you a good shot here of this so you can get a good idea of what this does. Okay. So what you do here is you can pull this up. That's going to raise it all the way to its top height of depth. And this goes all the way from 1.25 inches all the way to 3 3/4 inches high, which is a pretty decent height, especially if you've got really tall grass, or if you've got really, really thick grass and you can't chop it all the way to the ground. Again, the brushless mower in this thing is so smart, it will adapt to the thickness of your grass or the height to ensure that it does not stall, and you're going to get the power you're looking for each and every time you cut your lawn. So then you bring it right back down. Very, very simple system. So again, right where I was at, so very, very easy to adjust. Very simple, very, very simple. I love this system. Traditional lawnmowers, they have levers on all 4 wheels you have to mess with. Not this one. Very, very nice. The bag does come with it. The bag is very easy to release. You lift up, pull up, simple. Also, too, it comes with a piece in here for mulching. If you're going to mulch, you're going to put that piece inside the bag here, or you're going to take that out and you're going to install the bag if you're going to use it for the bagging system. Also, for storageability, what you do is you pull these levers out and twist them, right? You're going to pop these clamps here. You're going to slide this down, which is very, very nice. Especially if you guys don't have the room. Boom. Boom. You flip this over. There you go. It's got a handle here so you can store it, whatever you want to do. Keep it simple, keep it easy. Very, very nice system. I love it. Okay. Let's put this back. Now, one other cool thing I want to show you guys is this thing's got some pretty darn good features, right? This thing's got headlights. If I want to cut my grass in the dark, I sure can. So all you hear are the blades. All you're hearing is the air coming from the blades, which is fantastic. I wanted to see if I can give you guys a good shot of this thing in the yard with the headlights, so we could get a really, really good idea. If you ever want to cut your grass in the dark, I mean, I'm just being realistic here. If I wanted to, right? I so could. Very, very, very easily. I mean, that's like a car headlight. It's so awesome. Super, super awesome. So, listen, that's just a simple, quick test. I just wanted to show you because I really, really do stand by this product, okay? This lawnmower has exceeded all of my expectations and some. To engage the actual mower itself, what you're going to do is you push this button in here, okay? Then you pull back on the lever. So you're going to push this in, pull back on the lever, and that's going to engage it, okay? If you pull back and you push the button, nothing happens, okay? So that's a good safety feature, especially if you have kids. So not only did Ryobi think, and they were innovative in safety features, all different types of aspects, the thing is so light. I could pick this thing up if I had to, and I could transport it in that car, no problem. Not only because I can fold it up and it's super transportable, it's super light. A kid could use this and have no problem with fatigue. And with the brushless mower, you're going to get superb runtime. You're going to get supreme power out of their 40-volt lineup. It's just super, super awesome lawnmower. Again, Ryobi, they do have a new model that just came out, which I probably might buy that one just for craps and giggles because I do love my Ryobi products. But what I wanted to share with you guys today, I know Home Depot, if they still have them in stock in their store, you can pick this up for $199 with the 5 amp hour battery, or it's probably a 5 amp hour battery with the kit for $200, which is a steal. Because this lawnmower will exceed your expectations, it will cut your grass for what you're looking for, and it does have gas power like power, if not better. Okay? I know that's a broad statement, but I am being very honest with you. This thing is really, really, really amazing. So, with that being said, you can't go wrong, right? With that being said, you can't go wrong with the single point height adjustment, the brushless mower, the 5 amp hour battery that comes with it. The battery alone is $150. I think they've got it on sale right now online for $129. Still, $129 for a battery, you're getting a mower for $70. You can't beat that deal. And I don't know how much better the new lawnmower is going to perform. I guess we'll find out when I purchase it. But again, awesome lawnmower. It works really, really good. And on top of that, I'm a Ryobi guy. I've got a DeWalt blower, but I also had to pick up my Ryobi 18-volt blower because I am in the 18-volt 1 Plus system, 1 Plus lineup. And I just, you know what? Why not pick up this blower? And again, the blower is really powerful. It exceeds all my expectations. This is model number P2105. Okay? Again, it's P2105. It's not the most powerful blower I've had, but it will get the job done. It won't blow the grass off of your driveway. It won't blow leaves off your driveway. It's super lightweight. And if you're in the Ryobi lineup, you really can't get a much better deal because this is what you're looking for, right? You want to stay in the same lineup. So the one thing that Ryobi offers is the lawnmowers, the blowers, the trimmers, everything. And now every other company is starting to follow suit. DeWalt, the Makitas, all those companies are starting to build outdoor equipment because they understand it's a whole new market, especially for your DIYers, your professionals. And again, you need to check out Ryobi's first zero turn. It's fully electric. It's amazing. What an awesome product. Their lawnmowers exceed my expectations. So, again, I just wanted to go over this one time because I wanted everyone to see what this thing has to offer for the value. And I want to show you guys one more quick thing before we get off the yard equipment. Is my Ryobi 2-cycle expanded straight shaft weed eater. This is part of their expanded lineup, okay? Which means you can change all the heads. I've got a hedge trimmer that goes with it, but you can get a pole saw. They've got a blower attachment. They've got all types of attachments for this system, and I think I only paid $129 for this, which is a fantastic deal because it's got all the power you're looking for in a weed eater. It's more expandable because of all the different tools that are compatible with this system. And on top of it, it's Ryobi. So it is the 2-cycle engine. They do have a 4-cycle, which is straight gas. I've always been a 2-stroke kind of guy, even when it comes to dirt bikes. So I just had no choice but to go ahead and get the 2-cycle engine. It does have a full pull crankshaft system. It doesn't have a smart start. The smart starts tend to go out pretty quickly, so you are going to have to go ahead and give this a full pull, but it starts maybe 2 pulls max. That thing is rocking and rolling. It's got tons and tons of power, and I promise you just won't regret it. And it's also the system for the line. This is Ryobi line. Let me tell you what, guys. I've had this weed eater for a couple months. I've used this thing once a week, and I'm still on the first line that's been put in this weed. I haven't changed it once yet. So what does that tell you? The line is top quality. It works really, really, really good, and it's worth the value. I can show you what a pack of it looks like, and I haven't even opened it yet, and I've had this since I bought it. Okay? This is their line. This is model number AC04149. It is their almost 1 inch, or my bad, 0.095 inch diameter line, and it's their heavy duty stuff. And this thing also comes part of their convenient fast reload system. If you have the device where you can fast reload it, you will love this thing tremendously. So there you have it, guys. Again, just wanted to show you my yard equipment that I have with the Ryobi lineup. Nothing crazy, but it is enough to get the job done properly. And hell, it looks good too. So, again, thank you for watching this video of my review on this mower. One day I will show you guys this thing in action so you can see how great of a cut it leaves. If you're ever bored at night and you're tired, but you know what, you're just having the itch to mow your grass, you can go do it at any time of the night. And it's quiet enough where you're not going to wake your neighbors up. That's exactly why they put those lights on it, right? Because on a traditional mower, it's too loud. You'll wake your neighbors up. But if I want to go cut my grass with this right now, I can do it at 11 o'clock at night, 12 o'clock at night, 1 in the morning. It doesn't matter because it's that quiet. So, again, thank you so much. My name is Chris with Longevity, brought to you by our proud sponsor, DNC Properties. Stay tuned. If you are part of my channel, hit that like button, smash it hard. If you aren't, please hit the subscribe button to help grow the channel. As soon as I hit the 100 subscriber mark, which I'm almost there, I'm going to send out free t-shirts to the first 20 subscribers that were ever on my channel, and I have their names written down. Plus, I'm going to do a 10-shirt giveaway randomly for whoever leaves a comment on my videos, part of our longevity line. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you next time. Have a good night.